This video aims to introduce the procedure of migrating devices from HikProConnect account. There are two ways to execute this function. You can either choose the HikProConnect device migration in the prompt list after clicking the account name at the top right corner of the page, or choose the site and find the migrate devices from HikProConnect account. This method can only be operated in the premise that the devices in HikProConnect need to be trusted haven't been registered in any HikProConnect accounts previously, or the collocations with other HikProConnect accounts have already been terminated. Click OK to skip the guiding page. Then, you have to log into the HikProConnect account which possesses the target devices you want to migrate and manage. This step ensures the security of the authorization and should be executed under the supervision of the end's owner. There are two login ways, either through the phone number or through the username or email, depending on the specific registration method the owner used. Then click the button below to log in the system. In the next page, all devices belong to the login HikProConnect account or shared by other accounts to this login account will be listed below. The user should choose a suitable folder to choose the ideal devices which are suitable for the collocation to this HikProConnect account. The Configure Site page requires the information of the site, which will include all the chosen devices in the previous pages. The default site name is site plus the site owner name. However, you can edit it to a more recognizable name. The time zone can be changed if the user needs. You can inspect all the devices in the number of devices and cancel the devices you don't want to trustee. After you confirm the configuration, click the Migrate button at the right bottom to finish the migration process. Then, the newly migrated devices can be seen and checked in the site folder. Remember that the migrate devices can only be added under a new site. They can't be added to an existing site.